what's your procedure? I would like, you're an FBI, right, officer?
Yes,
you
yes.
should know the procedure as to
And I told you the
how
procedure.
to take in cases when people report of corruption.
And this is how we take cases. I put in a report, an agent looks
But
at
you
all the
don't
reports.
have my information.
I have your name.
You don't have my case
have-
information and evidence, sir.
Ma'am, I just told you.
You don't have my case information and
You
evidence.
told me all the
You
case
put in
numbers.
a report saying that I'm here to file a complaint. The
No, I
FBI
said
agent has no information of my case and evidence.
I put in the report that you're here with evidence on organized crime. The agent looks at it, says,
How is he going to look at it when he doesn't have case information and evidence?
Contact you.
Yeah, that's what they say, you know, at the FBI in New York City.
I have no control over whether or not he contacts you or not.
Yeah, but that's not right. You're putting my life and my son's life. This is an ongoing organized crime, and the FBI never got back to me, putting my life and my son's life at risk.
This is all I can do for you, and hopefully somebody will get back to you, okay? You have a nice day.
Yeah, but no.
You have a good one.
No, this is not right. You need to take in my information.
We do not.
Yeah, you're refusing to take in information. They're refusing to get information.
Okay?
Yeah,
So an agent will get in contact
and if they don't get back to me,
then call the agent.
and you put in my life, I did call the 1-800 number, and they never got back to me.
Ma'am, all I can say is I'll put the report in, and that's it, okay? You have a nice day.
No, I'm not going to have a nice day.
Ma'am, if you
I'm not going to have a nice day because you are denying my rights to report.
I'm going to report it. You reported it. I'm going to report it.
Yeah, how are you going to report it without my case information?
We don't take evidence. That is not what we do. Evidence is for agents. They want evidence. We don't take evidence.
The field office in New York City took in my case information with evidence. They took it in. They have my case information and evidence.
So if they
but now in the headquarters, they're telling me something different. They're not taking in my case information and evidence.
Look, ma'am, we don't take in evidence. An agent will be in contact with you if they want to see your evidence, alright?
No, that's not it.
You have a nice one,
No,
alright?
I'm going to speak to your officer, your sergeant, or your commander. I'm not leaving until Nope. I'm not leaving until you call your commander out. You are putting me and my son's life at risk.
Hey, I told you I'm going to put a report in. That's all we do here.
No, I'm going
That is
to
all
talk
we
to
do.
your commander. I want to ask him, why aren't you taking in my case?
He's going to tell you the same
No,
thing.
I'm going to talk to him.
He's gonna tell you
No,
the exact
I'm
same
going to talk to him. Why aren't you going to take in my case information with
I'm
evidence?
going to ask you to please
No,
proceed.
I'm not going to leave.
Ma'am,
I'm not going to
I'm
leave.
going to ask you to leave.
I'm not going to leave until I talk to your commander because you're not following proper procedure.
Well, you cannot enter this building anymore.
Well, too bad. I'm going to talk to your commander.
Alright, you have a nice... No,
Talk to your commander. I need to talk to your
I
commander.
need you to step over
Right
there.
now, you go.
I need to talk to your commander.
Closing the door. You need to step back.
You can't push me like that. Why are you pushing me? You pushed me, sir. That's not right. You pushed me, sir. You pushed me. You have no right to push me. You have no right to push me. You have no right to push me. Do you understand, sir? You have no right to push me.
I think it's gonna relax and
You have no way. You have no right to push me, sir. You have no right to push me. You have no right to push me. I need to talk to your commander. Okay, this is how the FBI handle cases of police corruption that I have evidence with. This officer here, he said that he's an FBI. He wouldn't give me his shield number, even though he has a shield number on his whatever. What do you call that? You don't even know what's that called?
On my chest.
Your chest is part of your body. What are you wearing, sir? What are you wearing, sir?
You're in the parking area.
Sir,
You're gonna leave right
can
now.
Can I get your name, please, sir?
I'm Corporal Margiotis, badge number 1634. If you do not depart this
1634.
area, you're
Can
going to be
I
arrested for
speak?
CFR. Okay?
I understand. Can
Are
I
you
just...
going to leave, yes or no?
Yes, I'm going to leave, but
5,
I'm going to let you
4,
know
3,
that I have
2,
the case
1.
information. Why are you arresting me?
Hands behind your back. You've been told to depart several times, okay? You're being detained for failing to disperse, okay?
Why?
Because I said so.
Stop.
I know the law very well.
Why?
Can't have force side.
No, I need to get that.
Ma'am,
No, sir.
do not make me use force.
I'm going.
Not make
Okay.
use force.
Okay, I'll leave. I'll leave.
You leave.
Where's your
I'll leave.
identification?
Right here.
Cannot
He
force
got
side.
it. He got my information. Roll it down.
Stand by.
Okay, I'll leave
I have
then.
someone detained in front of your seat.
I'll leave
Failing
then.
to disperse. You have your identification.
I'll leave
Do not
then.
try to leave. Do not try to walk away.
I got it.
Female, she ran through Ensenada.
Sir.
Stop
Sir.
moving. Ma'am? Okay? You've been told to leave multiple times.
Nah, she was, bro.
I said I was leaving.
No,
He
no,
won't
no.
let me go.
It
He
is too
won't
late.
let me go. I
It
said
is-
I was
it's
leaving.
too
He
late
won't
for
let
that.
me
It's
go.
too late.
He
What's your
won't let me
identification?
get.
I got it right here.
Why is it you ran? Come on.
This is easy, bro.
That's what he said. I was leaving. That's what he said. I was leaving. So let me go. I'm going to leave.
This is Ontario.
Because I was explaining to you the situation, sir. I was going to explain to you about the situation before I leave, sir. No, my stuff. Stuff.
Yep, we'll get it. Calm down. Stop moving.
Nothing in your hand, man.
You're gonna break your phone.
No, I'm going to
Stop
put that in
grabbing
my
stuff.
purse. I'm going to put it back in my purse.
All right. What's going on? We'll fix it. Calm down.
Okay, sir. Let me.
All right, calm down.
Calm down. I'm just putting my purse in
What's
my.
going on that you wouldn't leave?
Okay, sir. This is what happened. I'm trying to report my case to the FBI with evidence of an organized crime.
Okay.
It's
And
the
then they
law.
provide you information on how to
It's the
report
law.
that.
It's the law that I
Did
need to
they
report
tell you
a
how to
crime.
report it? They told you, right? They told you to go online or call the number.
Why
You're an administrative building.
why wouldn't they take my case information and
Because we're
evidence?
police officers, not investigators.
They're
You don't
FBI.
realize it.
No,
You don't realize
sir,
it.
listen. They
I'm
said
not
that.
going to listen to you.
No,
I'm trying to
I'm
explain to you the
explaining.
law. You don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm trying to reason with you. You were provided information on how.
I need to get my phone.
I'll get it for you. Stand up.
I